Luke chapter 16. Wise servants parable. Jesus tell him disciples, e get one rich man wey hear say him manager dey waste him money. So he call the manager come tell am, I no like wetin I dey hear about you. Make you go write how you take dey spend all my money because you no go be my manager again. Then the manager tell himself, wetin I go do now? My oga wan sack me and I no strong reach to dig. And na shame for me to go dey beg. I know wetin I go do so that when my oga sack me, I go get friends wey go welcome me for their house. So he gather all the people wey dey owe him oga money. He come ask the first one, how much you dey owe my oga? The man answer, na 100 gallon of olive oil. The manager come say, take this paper, sit down quick. Me write 50. Then he ask another one, how much you dey owe? He said, come and say, 1,000 basket for wheat. The manager tell him, take this paper, make you write 800. The oga praise the wayo manager because of the wayo sense wey he use. Because this world people sabi use their wayo sense for business pass people wey dey for light. So I tell una true word, make una use una money well so that una go make friends for una sef. And when the money finish, God go welcome una for him kingdom wey go dey forever. Anybody wey fit handle small things go fit handle big things too. And anybody wey dey do wayo for small things go still do wayo for big things too. If people not trust you with money for this world, God no go fit give you in riches for heaven. And if people not fit trust you with their property, na who go give you your own? No servant go fit serve two oga, because he must hate one, come love the other one, or he go serve one with all him body than the other one. So you no go fit serve God and money for the same time. Warning about the Pharisee people. When the Pharisee people wey like money hear this one, they come dey take Jesus make yeye. But Jesus tell them, na una dey make una self good for people eye, but God know una heart. Because wetin human being value well, na him God no like. Moses law and the things when the prophet write, na him people dey follow before John the Baptist come. But since he come, they don dey preach the good news about God kingdom, and everybody wan force himself enter. E better make heaven and earth vanish than make the small laws dey useless. Any man wey drive him wife then marry another woman don commit adultery. And the man wey marry woman wey leave him husband don commit adultery too. Lazarus and the man wey get money. E get one rich man wey dey wear dear clothes, and he dey enjoy life every day. But for him gate, one poor man wey him name be Lazarus and sore full him body lie down for there. He dey wait to chop wetin fall from the rich man table. Dogs sef dey come lick the sore for him body. The poor man come die, and angels carry am go where Abraham dey. The rich man still die too, and dem bury am. As the rich man dey for hellfire dey suffer, he come look up, see Abraham for far with Lazarus for him corner. Na him he shout, "Papa Abraham, make you sorry for me. Abeg, send Lazarus, make he put him finger for water, go touch my mouth, because I dey suffer inside this fire." But Abraham answer, "My pikin, remember say when you dey alive, you dey enjoy good things, but Lazarus no enjoy at all. But now, he dey enjoy for here and you dey suffer for there. Not be only that one sef, but they block the center so that people wey wan cross from here go meet una no go fit, and nobody go fit from una side cross come meet us." So the rich man come say, "I beg you, Papa, make you send Lazarus go my papa house for the world, because I get 5 brothers, so that he go warn them, make dem no for come suffer for this place." But Abraham answer, "Moses and the prophets dey with your brothers for the world, so make dem listen to their word." The rich man come say, "No sir, but if person wey don die go meet dem, dem go turn from sin come meet God." Abraham answer am, "If dem no gree listen to Moses and the prophets, dem no go still listen, even if person wey don die go back go meet dem."